Hi and welcome to video 4, the last video for day 6 of our 14-day fluency course. In this video, it's the dictation test. So get your pen and some paper and let's go. Word number 1 is pastimes. Pastimes. Our second word for today is collecting. Collecting. Our third word is 3 words, arts and crafts. Arts and crafts. Our fourth word today, technology. Technology. Word number 5, playing computer games. Playing computer games. Word number 6, surfing the internet. Surfing the internet. Word number 7, active lifestyle. Active lifestyle. And word number 8 is exercise. Exercise. Okay, now check your answers. Congratulations, you've just finished day 6. You're almost halfway there of our 14-day fluency course. I will see you tomorrow where we... Hi and welcome to day 7. We've made it halfway. Today's topic is entertainment, so let's go. Word number 1 today is karaoke. Now, karaoke is when you go to a bar and you sing songs. It's very popular in countries like China, Japan, and South Korea. Let's have a look at word number 2. Word number 2 today is cinema. We can also say movie theatre. Now, a cinema or movie theatre is the place you go to watch a new movie or film. Let's have a look at word number 3. Our third word for today is concert. Now, if your favorite singer or favorite band is coming to town and you want to watch them, you have to go to a concert. So a concert is an event where famous musicians play music. Let's have a look at our fourth word for today. Our fourth word for today is live show. A concert, the last word, is an example of a live show. Also, you might go and see a play. That is another example of a live show. Let's have a look at our fifth word for today. Our fifth word for today is download. Now, usually people will download music or download a movie. This is when you go on the internet and you save the music or the movie to your computer. Let's have a look at our sixth word for today. Our sixth word for today is online, and online just means on the internet. So for example, I can watch a movie online. I can listen to music online. Let's have a look at our seventh word for today. Our seventh word for today is stream. Now, stream means that you like to watch a movie online, or you like to listen to music online, but you do not download it. So I can say, I like to stream movies online. I can say, I like to stream music online. The difference between stream and download is that download, you save the movie or the music to your computer, and stream, you do not save it. Let's have a look at our last word for today. Our last word for today is pay-per-view. Pay-per-view. Now, pay-per-view is when you stream something, for example, a movie or maybe a sporting event, and you pay money to watch it for one time. Now, let's take a moment to review the vocabulary from today's lesson. Say them after me. Karaoke. Karaoke. Cinema. Cinema. We can also say movie theatre. Movie theatre. Concert. Concert. Live show. Live show. Download. Download. Online. Online. Stream. Stream. Pay-per-view. Pay-per-view. Okay, great. Now, in the next video, I will make a speech using these words. So I will see you then. See ya.